I was blessed to respect humanity before money. In as much as money is a basic element of life,
yes,
there is more to life than just money.
Oh,
That is health. That is spirituality. Spirituality is different from religion. Spirituality is knowing who you are and your purpose in life. You are a few men I respect so much. You know why? Because you respect yourself.
Yes. You're very correct.
2011, 2012, all of us used to drink here, right?
Yes.
I don't know what we are doing. We don't know what I'm doing. But our purpose is a better future. Now depression hit me 2015. I will come around to feel affiliated with my brothers. Instead of telling me, take $10, go and shower, or to remind me to shower, they will knock me down and say I don't belong here. I'm not a member of Black Ass. I'm not a member of Billionaire Boys Club. Yeah?
But you lost weight, so what do you do your best?
Last I saw you twice. I saw you I was single once. I told you I had a situation. I would like to talk to you. You left. I saw you again with your wife. I told you I had a situation. You left.
That one was.
You're not indebted to me.
You met me in the public, and we are doing something.
My brother.
Why?
My brother. I know you don't know who I am.
Yeah.
As long as I'm concerned, as long as I'm concerned, you are from Sapele, right? As long as I'm concerned, my family is the wealthiest in America. I did not get it, but you won't believe it.
I don't know that.
It's okay. An average African man respects money, fashion, opulence, court order, gunshot, war. The way we were raised in Nigeria, we come to our house, we tell the tenant, please can we drink? Because a lot of my family members were eliminated. We live that secret, confidential, anonymous. I didn't just start telling people my name is Angel. There's a reason why. October, P&J knocked me down with Jerry. October, P&J knocked me down with Jerry. Because I still have the video with Tim, begging Tim to go and get my money from LUKJ. Like, depression is hitting me back to back. And I have an accident, my EVD has not kicked in since March. It's not his responsibility. But as somebody I take as a guardian, he could make that call. Because he was the one that introduced me to him. He has a choice to not